Hey guys, Rich here from Tacoma Network. In this video, I'm going to show you my top 5 favorite exterior upgrades on my 2022 3rd Gen TRD Off Road 4x4. Now I picked up this truck in September 2022 after a good 2-month wait. I knew I wanted the TRD Off Road and I wanted Lunar Rock, but the rest of the options I didn't have much control over. I did end up with the LED lighting package as well as the technology package, which gets you the basic safety features like sonar parking. As for the exterior, it was time to make it my own, and these are my top 5 exterior modifications that I really enjoy. Now, I still have a stock appearing truck, so no major modifications like lift or new wheels and tires. That will come in time. For what I did upgrade, I'll have links for each of those down in the video description. Also, stay tuned for more in this series, including top 5 interior upgrades, top 5 hidden upgrades, and top 5 non-Tacoma accessories. A new option from Charvonia or BedrailTiedowns.com, this kit gets you 4 of their ultra premium CNC aluminum rail tie downs and the fixed bed tie downs. Get rid of the cheesy stock plastic and the bent aluminum tie downs once and for all. Now, these are a premium item, so no compromise was done in regard to material or finish. I chose the red anodized look for all of them, and they really provide a solid tie-down point throughout my bed. The adjustable rail tie-downs are easily moved with just a 6mm hex key. Check out my video on the install of these Bedrail Tiedowns in the upper right-hand corner of this video. My TRD off-road grill was starting to look like every other sport or off-road out there, and I didn't want to swap it out for the ho-hum TRD Pro grill that literally every other 3rd gen on the road had. Yodaverse partnered with Aspire on this version of the 2024 TRD Pro grill. This was released prior to the worldwide Toyota Tacoma release, and it's pretty close. I love the refreshed raised Toyota Heritage logo and the massive grille openings. This model adds a proper Raptor style amber light with just 3 that are set in place like they meant to do it. Although I didn't hook them up, they also have daytime LED running lights or turn signal lights on the sides. Aspire is working on making a blacked out version of the garnish so it doesn't stand out as much like the bright silver. Speaking of the garnish, my TSS sensor is working 100% without any modification. But what's your thoughts? To see my full install video of this grill, click the upper right hand corner of this video. I got these on Amazon for less than 40 bucks. I was initially worried about the quality versus the stock, but these are quite nice. They deleted all the chrome that the stock mirror turn signals had and add a cool sequential feature to the light and full LED. The install was easy once you get the nerve to pry the mirror caps off of the mirrors. Then you're just 2 screws and a plug away from getting them installed. Here's a pro tip, get them on Amazon and not the ones on the Tacoma specialized sites. They're just marking the Amazon style product up in all honesty. I've seen them go for over 80 bucks on some of those sites. Light bars over lockers, right? The Cali Rays LED hidden light bar gives your Tacoma some extra light without having lights mounted and excess wiring all throughout the exterior of your truck. This light bar is 32 inches in width and has a double row of LEDs providing both a spot in the center and flood on the outside of the light, and it's super bright. The install was a little more in-depth, but the outcome gave a factory look with the included dash-mounted toggle switch. Take a look at my full install video including the wiring and some of the pitfalls to avoid. Link will be in the upper right-hand corner. Now, I have had a set or 2 of LED taillights on my Tacoma, and the Alpha Rex Lux taillights are my favorite. The install was really easy, just 2 10mm bolts and 3 plugs and you're done. The overall construction of these are top notch, not some cheaply made replacement. I chose them in black, and they give your Tacoma a stealth look and delete all that dreaded chrome on the stock lights. Now for the best part, they're bright, they're sequential, and provide a very decent LED reverse light. I still love hitting my lock-unlock for the hell of it, just to see the sequential signals. That will honestly never get old. Well guys, that's my top 5 favorite exterior mods to my 2022 Toyota Tacoma. Stay tuned for a full series of videos including my top 5 interior mods, top 5 hidden mods, and top 5 non-Tacoma accessories. But what are your thoughts? Do you have a favorite mod that I didn't feature? Let me know down in the comment section. As always, if you like the video, there's a button for that, and subscribe to the channel. It's free. Finally, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.